Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over a quick update regarding Tesla and the Twitter deal. We're also going to look at the charts on Tesla. I had a great day today in the market. This will be a short little article here that was off of Yahoo Finance that was released about an hour ago. I'm going to take a look at that. So Yahoo Finance Live's Dave Briggs looks at Twitter shares after reports indicate that Tesla CEO Elon Musk's deal to buy Twitter may now be in jeopardy, and negotiations have paused. Okay, the video transcript here, which you see the video popping up here, we're just going to go ahead and read it. It says, as we go to a break, we want to check out the shares of Twitter after hours sliding up more than 5% at the moment. The Washington Post reported that Elon Musk's deal to buy Twitter is now in serious jeopardy. The issue at hand, as you can imagine for Musk, is that the data on spam accounts are not verifiable. According to the Washington Post, Musk has stopped engaging in discussions and has backed away from at least one likely financial backer, and that is why you see these Twitter shares falling after hours. We will stay on the breaking news back in a moment. Okay, so that actually can kind of probably be good for Tesla on top of everything else that kind of happened today. I think they had something come out from China talking about they're in support of EVs, and they had something, I'm not sure if this actually fully went through, but there was some talk about the Biden administration kind of easing up tariffs on China, which would help for supply and things like that for EVs, specifically Tesla. So let's take a look at Tesla, guys, and let's see what they're telling us in the charts. We'll also take a look at Twitter, since this is kind of linked in with Twitter as well. All right, guys, taking a look at Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, up a little over 5.5% on the day. We hit as high as about 734. Currently, our first major resistance level is 752.85, and we want to stay above 700 to confirm a longer term trend reversal on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. So that's our red SMA line there. If we pull back, at least if we bump off of 700 and move forward, we'll be in good shape. I do expect that we're going to come up and retest that 750 mark. As you see, we got rejected several times over the past several months. If you look here, every time we hit there, we fall back down. So big test whenever we do get to 752, or we're going to continue to move forward, we're going to pull back down and kind of go from there. So we still may pull back down, like I said, but as long as we bounce off of 700, that would be a good sign moving forward for Tesla. So currently, close to overbought on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. We are in a bullish pattern on the MACD, and the RSI, like I said, we're close to overbought, which usually signals for some type of pullback, although it doesn't have to be a very significant one. So, okay, let's take a look at Twitter now, because we were just talking about their shares and the deal between Tesla may fall through. So I need to redraw the fib level, because I really haven't looked at Twitter much over the past several weeks. So the low is $30.60 for the 180-day 4-hour time frame, and then $68.41 is going to be our ceiling there. All right, so we got to about the red SMA line here. As you see, we got rejected, and this was from the news probably that the deal was paused, and it fell as low as $35.92. I was only trading at about 40 bucks anyway. So this thing, in my opinion, I would stay away from Twitter. It's not a company that I'm invested in. I've swung it one time and made a little percentage off of it, but never really been too fond of the company in general as far as anything to invest in, right? So I think there's other companies that you could look at that are pretty attractive. Amazon trading at $115 a share right now. Google's doing a split, I believe, next week, if I'm not mistaken. And that's going to be some attractive companies to get into that that'll allow new retail investors to come in at a lower price. And then of course Tesla. I mean, Tesla is pretty high for, just look, I mean, $700 something, $734 a share. I'd much rather buy 1 or 2 shares of Tesla as opposed to dumping in $1,400 or $1,500 here in Twitter. So anyway, just wanted to give you that update, guys. Stay up to date on Yahoo Finance, or subscribe to the channel because we do cover Tesla. Other than that, we will catch you in the next one.